back at Wingman Garage for the Community Car Day build. Aaron, what do we have going on?
I am super pumped about this year's build. Okay, this is the 4th build that Wingman Garage has done. We are gonna build a 1997 Jeep Wrangler. It is the TJ body style. It's an SE, 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive. It is a 5-speed. We've got a ton of really cool stuff to put on it today, or at least get started with it today. I've got maybe the most that have ever showed up to actually help for a first event at least. Look at this, oh, these hooligans, oh my gosh. I'm gonna give everybody a corner of this thing. We're all gonna dive in and rip it apart. I need to do 2 big shout outs, AutoZone and Hawk Performance. AutoZone donated oil, a battery, rear brake parts, wipers. Hawk Performance sent us front brake pads and some fluid. And then I picked up new calipers for the front, new rotors, and a complete front end tie rod and steering stabilizer kit, and track bar, all that stuff. I don't expect us to get that all on today. I want to focus on the brakes. I've driven it, it needs brakes. Brakes are important. So we did a poll on the Wingman Garage Car Community group on Facebook, and the winning name for this year's build, aptly, is Sarge.
So I'd like to introduce everybody to Sarge.
That's really it. We're all gonna dive in, and we're just gonna go for it.
All right,
Yeah.
well, I will take this, you take charge. Let's get into it.
Try bar, Aaron, try bar. There we go. Actually, look, they're not bad. You get like 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 miles out of that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. When you guys pull the caliper, do the line swap to the new caliper last.
There it is.
Come up.
I'm surprised that wasn't seized on there.
We're doing that.
Yeah, just a little bit.
It's going well.
No, the fins. Oh, yeah, that's right.
That's right.
Dust coming out. Oh, yeah. That's looking good. That's looking good. Look at all that. Look at that dust. Get out of there. Get out of there. You're not welcome.
Deep press.
Hey, look. It's going to happen. It's natural. That's why you need to fluid film your ride. This video not sponsored by Fluid Film.
Lock brand brakes. Going on the Jeep.
Man, it's like it came out of Christ.
Not going in.
Pretty good, you guys. Getting
Make sure it orients the right way. And then it's a notch. Yeah, you're right. Okay. I'll take the old one.
Little known Jeep fact is, while now synonymous with Jeep, the 7-slot grille design was first used on the Ford GPW.
You know what I love? New brake rotors. Slotted, drilled. Woo! Gonna do it. What's it called? An endo, that's it. One point I want to make is that when we're done with it, it's going to be way better than it is now. So like all this rusted stuff you're seeing on the suspension, the control arms, the track bar, all that stuff's getting changed. I have all of it here. When we do the lift kit day, all new shocks and springs, so like a lot of the stuff you see that you don't like, it's all gonna be new. What you need to understand is that the bones on this guy, on Sarge here, are really good. That's all that matters. And the frame's been completely redone, so
It's because
we'll just bolt on all the cool stuff.
Yeah.
And it'll make it awesome.
Yes, I'm so confused. This here has to have that, so that's wrong. That's should be the one we did.
That is very rusted.
will it move at all?
Not by hand. That should move by hand. Yeah. Yeah. Probably for the last 10 years. I mean, it's cool we got it, but yeah. See the right there. Yeah.
It is turning.
It is. I know it's burning.
Oh, that is hot.
Did you see smoke?
I saw smoke coming out of it. Like, not rust poop.
Would you believe it used to be 4-wheel drums all the way around?
But
Yeah. Well, as long as the pins are in, we got really aggressive.
Drum guys, you guys missing yellow spring?
corrosion.
Yeah.
So that came off.
I don't think so. Yep, but that is not.
Man, that is. Give me the good news again, because I could really use it.
A special shout out to everybody standing behind you. Kenny, turn around and show everybody.
Yeah.
This
is
is
a record turnout for a community car build event at 14 people.
Yeah, I want to say there was probably 4 to 5 people on every single tire. Your team was ferocious tonight. There was a lot that got done. Can you give us a recap of what happened?
We did the wipers.
The wipers.
And yeah, no, we did. We did the wipers last. Actually, we didn't get as much done as I wanted, but the big stuff was the rear brakes and the front brakes. Those drums are a real pain in the butt, but you guys all killed it working on the drums and the fronts. So all that hard work is done. I'm going to wrap it up tomorrow and get him back on his wheels and everything and driving around. So I'll do you know what? I might just save the oil change and stuff till the next event.
Okay.
We'll all do that together. The second event is April 30th. Same time, 7 p.m. It is a Wednesday night. Feel free to come on down, Wingman, and help us build it. Oh, the hunt. We've been alluding to this. Those of you that have participated in the hunt in the past years have had a blast. Okay? The hunt for this year, you guys are not going to be ready for it. Okay? That's all I'm going to say. It's going to be a lot of fun. I don't think anybody's going to see what we have planned coming. I'm really excited about it. I really am. I say it every year. This is my favorite build, but this might be my favorite build in hunt that we've done yet. Again, huge shout out to everybody who showed up today. You guys killed it.
Yes, round of applause for all you guys. Outstanding. They did a really, really good job. So stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell click for notifications. Head on over to Wingman on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. He's got his own YouTube account. Make sure you're subscribed there too. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning. Woo!
Loosen up.
So guess what? We are back at Wingman. This is the 4th community car build. Aaron, what do we got going on?
Woo! Yes, okay. Cut.
I got dirt on my hand. What am I supposed to do? I work in an office. It's for Good Morning Mechanic. I already bought sweatshirts.
Where are they, Danny?
They're at his house.
While now synonymous with Jeep, the 7-slot grill design first used. Hold on. A little known. Nah. You know you're gonna read it. If you know me, you know I'm gonna read this. If there's one thing I'm gonna do is read the script. You know. Okay. A little known Jeep fact is, well, you know. Okay.
Holy cow. That was amazing. I have goosebumps.
Because it scared you.
No, it's 40 degrees in here. I want to say that this is 58. Hey, but,
A Jeep, nicknamed Old Faithful, won a Purple Heart for its service in World War II.